Guys, what is sales? Why are you here? You have a career in sales, you want to make more money, you want to make more commissions. Okay, so first thing we have to do is discover and determine what is sales. Right? So here's what I'm saying. Here's what I say sales is. You have to have a definition of it if you want to improve it. Okay? Sales, number one, a great salesperson is able to build trust and credibility quickly. On the other hand, a great salesperson is able to cause action to occur. How do you do that? Well, you do it through communication. And you do it and it's important for great salespeople have a model. They have an approach of exactly how to do it. And they can do it and do it over and over and over again. All right? So that's what sales is. That's what a great salesperson is. They build trust and credibility quickly, right? And they're able to cause action to occur in their speaking, right? And this is what I teach in my power sales training class, how to do that over and over. It doesn't matter to me what you're selling, whether you're in the automotive industry, whether you're in the propane industry, the glass industry, whether you're working in a department store, it doesn't matter. If you're in sales, right, the game is simple. You have to be able to build trust and credibility quickly with people that you meet for the very first time. Like this, boom, and great salespeople know how to do it.